Yes, where are my men in this house? Yes, so today video is for you. I'll be dropping contacts for men wears. So if you are have you bought for your honey? Have you bought for your guy? So make sure you watch video to the end so that you get legit contact on you can get legit suppliers contact on quality menswear. Yes, menswear to shook, to bad. So I'll be dropping contacts. The beautiful thing, I'll be dropping WhatsApp contact, I'll be dropping WeChat contact. In this my 30 days, I'm running a 30 days challenge, and I'll be dropping contact back to back. So if you don't like this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button so I will notify you when my next video is going to be uploaded. Yes, so welcome back. This is Jenny CEO. Here in this video channel, we'll talk about how to make legit money online, importation, business growth, Facebook ad, everything money. Now, welcome back. Now we're talking about menswear. I'll be dropping my free suppliers contact, WeChat contact, WhatsApp contact on menswear. Quality menswear. So you'll be seeing them, viewing them on the screen, so do where to view them and see what I'm talking about. When we talk about wear, so many people run from China because some of them will say, hey, China quality is not good. So I can shock you that yes, and if you want to talk about wears in China, my dear, the amount you pay is the quality of what you get. The amount you pay is the quality of what you get. So you cannot afford to go and buy something of menswear. One thing I love about China, they have different grades, they have different prices. You see, China, even if you don't have enough money, you can still buy from them. That is one thing they do. You can still buy from them. They have every grade have their own. If you want higher grade, you pay your money, you get it. If you want middle grade, you pay your money, you get it. If you want low grade, you pay your money, you get it. So some persons will go and pay money for low grade, and when it comes and it's somehow they will not be moving around China, you're good, your wear is not good, your wear is not good, forgetting how much you paid. So if you want high things, so pay higher to get higher quality. That is it. But one thing about Vietnam and Bangladesh is they will tell you their price, whether you want to, and if you don't want, you leave. But China, you must not go back with that money. They are business inclined. So any amount you come, we get the one for you. If you've experienced that, please drop on the comment section. So, but the suppliers I'm giving you now are the suppliers that sells quality. The other one is on WhatsApp. The other one is on WeChat. So the one on WhatsApp sells different things. Men wear is different. So the one on WeChat, will be able to view their moments. The one on WhatsApp, view their status, view their catalogs, ask questions, talk to them, ask them questions about their wares. They can tell you the gram of the wear. Just ask them to know the quality of what you are getting. You can ask them to make video for you to see the live video of what you are getting. If it's about being legit, my suppliers are 100% legit. So that is well, I would like to say. I'm dropping on the comment section. I'm dropping the videos here. So if you have any question you want to, just write on the comment section. It's all say the same processes. Once you chat them up, you negotiate, talk to them, negotiate. The next thing, you make your payments. After making your payments, I'm saying this processes over and over again because of new members or newbies in importation. All right, so you know the processes you need to go through. Then after doing that, you pay. You pay. After paying, if you don't know how to pay, if you don't have Alipay, then you can pay with your exchanger. I've made a video on where I listed all legit exchangers. Even if you're in Cameroon, even if you're in Ghana, all African countries, I've made a video there where I watch that video and get chat up with exchanger. They are 100% legit. Chat them up, and once they give them the suppliers maybe Alipay account, they pay to the supplier confirms, and supplier pack your goods. And the next thing you need to do is to send your shipping company address to your supplier. I've also made a video on how you can, on shipping companies, different shipping companies. So you can chat them up and ask them for their shipping company address. Make sure, please note this: shipping company, the shipping methods are sea and air. So when you're asking a shipping company for address, make sure you specify the one you want, because some of them has what they call it, C address. The other band, they also have an air address, so they don't give you another thing. So make sure you specify. Tell them I want C shipping, I want air shipping. But I would advise you to use C, so you don't to reduce cost, unless if you want it so fast. So that is just it. Then once you provide a shipping address, the next thing, they ship it out, and your shipping company must notify you. Then they give you, when they ship it out, they give you what they call tracking number. So when the shipping company notify you, the shipping company will also send you that tracking number, tell you we've received this, so you can look at the also tracking number to confirm that it does the same thing before you now say, okay, send out to my country. So if you don't also have if you're in Ghana, you're in Cameroon, you're looking for a shipping company, I've also made a video on that. Go ahead and check my other videos. Then they send it to you. Once they send it to you, you receive your goods and you're good to go. You can, and I also advise you, if you want to go into the business, you can also buy little to test run before buying in bulk. All right, so that is all I will have to say. Don't forget to hit the like button. It's totally free. Like this video, please. Then subscribe if you're not. See you in my next video, in my next challenge. Bye for now.